it's Friday. Nice that the sun's out after the rain, so that's good, but I guess we've got another storm coming, FYI. And, of course, you probably know we have a 3-day weekend and a Valentine's Day on top of it. So, yeah, both Abe and George were born in February. So we used to take a whole week in February. They stopped doing that and just made it 3-day weekends a few years back. But this year, it's kind of early because I think George's birthday is like the 20th. I don't know. Anyway, so get a little bit of an early 3-day weekend, and Valentine's Day happens to be smack in there. So happy Valentine's Day. Love you. Okay. I think I'm just going to have you do the binary ionic compound, find the mistakes today. And then we're going to get introduced to acids and bases. I don't know how far we'll get on that. I don't think we'll get all the way through. The reason why I throw that in there right now is because acids and bases are ionic compounds, and there's a little extra rules, a few extra rules for naming acids, but bases are super easy. They're just like any ionic compound. So yeah, we'll see how far we get with that. I'm really don't think we'll get all the way done, and that's okay. It's totally fine. It's that. Oh, another calendar. That's weird. So in your stream, there is a Google Jamboard, and hopefully I made it editable for everybody. I'm gonna, I think we're just gonna do this one with the binary formulas just as a review for the information that we learned earlier in the week. And I'm gonna put you into breakout rooms with a few other people. I'm gonna break us into 6 rooms. And so let me just show you this, and then we'll come back and talk about acids and bases. We'll see how far we get, okay? So this is gonna take a while to load. Oh, you guys you're amazing. Look at you already in there. You're so bomb. Okay, way to go. So this first one on binary compounds, remember those are just the 2 elements. And this has an introduction slide on slide 1, and then on slide 2, it's find the mistakes. Don't do them yet though, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I can do this, is just explain the process, and then I'm gonna let Google put you into breakout rooms. So find the one that says binary compounds, and let's talk about this. So there are identical slides. Not sure if there's one on 8. Yeah, 8's blank. I should have taken that out. Oh well. So we're going to break into 6 rooms, and unfortunately the room numbering won't match perfectly. It'll just be 1 lower than the slide that you're going to work on. What I'm going to ask you to do is put your names on the yellow sticky, and then pick a different sticky note, I don't care what color, and tell me what's wrong with each of them on here. Now, there are 8 on this slide. The one with the poly, I only put 6 on. But for example, let's just look at this one real quick. Okay, Li sub 6, S sub 1. Yikes, that does not look right. So Li is a +1 charge. Sulfur is a -2 charge. Formula should be Li2S. Okay, so we can't do subscripts on these sticky notes, but that's all right. I'll understand. So then I'll put save, and then I'll pull this down here. So I just did this on slide 2. I can You don't have to do this one, those of you that are going to be on the other slides, okay? So sometimes there's more than one thing wrong. So in this one, that's also, I should have put in that we don't know subscript for one of them, okay? So the S, first of all, it would be just one sulfur, but you don't put ones, okay? So I hope that's clear. Does that make sense to you guys? Yes, no, good? Anybody? Yes, thank you, Ava. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna, yes, good job. Thank you, Gracie and Emma and Ava and Luke. I'm gonna break you into 6 breakout rooms, and then you're gonna work with your breakout roomies to come up with the explanation tag for each of the other compounds on that slide. So if you're going to if you're in group 1, you're going to go to slide 2. If you're in group 2, you're going to go to slide 3. Room 3 goes to 4. 4 goes to 5. 5 goes to 6. Does that make sense for everybody? I hope. And then group 6 goes to slide 7. Or yeah, and you do that by clicking on these arrows at the top. Okay. Don't know if I can copy that into everybody else's. Let's see. Copy. I think it just duplicates it on the same page, so I'm not going to do that. So don't worry about doing this lithium with sulfur. And yeah, all right. So I'll give you, I don't know, a minute a piece. I don't think it's going to take long. I hope. Let's just see how we do, okay? So I'm going to break you into breakout rooms. And I want 6 rooms. Perfect. So here's the random generation of rooms. Breakout room 1 is Kaden, Gracie, James, and Martin. Brooke, Dorothy, Kimberly, Lauren are in 2. Alexa, Bradley, Jasmine, and Ava Van are in 3. Alexis, Amber, Ava Fox, and Luke are in 4. Emily, Kennedy, Roman, whoop, oh, and the classroom are in 5. And then Ella, Emma, Maddie, and McKinley in 6. Any questions before I send you out? Hope you don't lose connection. I know some people have problems with this, so if you do, just come back and I'll help you get in, okay? All right, here we go. I'll see you in 6. Maybe, there we go. Timer.
Miss Gutches, my internet went down and I got logged off. I'm just wondering what we're doing.
Okay, let me find you a room, sweet pie.
Thank you.
Sorry, I know this is kind of wonky for some people. Let's put you into breakout room 5 if I can. I don't know if you can. I don't even see you in the main call anymore. That's weird. Mackenzie. Can't drag you. Well, heck. I'm sorry, Gracie. Says Mackenzie's not in. She's with me, but that's not true. See her on my main screen. How strange. I'm going to stop recording and see if I can figure this out.